Hello world! This is LAILOTZKEE'S Canadian Way. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, LAILOTZKEE'S Canadian Way. God bless us all YouTubers! Hello world! This is LAILOTZKEE'S Canadian Way. Ayan mga kaibigan, nandito na naman tayo at mag-unbox po tayo ng dumating na package. Ayan guys, remember when I unboxed my GoPRO7HERO? Ayan. This package came in 2 days ago. So, we're gonna see all the accessories that is needed for my GoPro 7. Ayan guys. This is for the tripod.
Yes.
Yeah. You can hear voices, but you can't see them. They're just invisible, guys. So they are my professors. There you go. Okay, guys. This is the we can unbox this and show how it looks like. Yan. Ayun, guys. Mamaya na natin. Ayan. Ayan pala ang ano. Ganyan pala yan. Is this the way how you do it? You can go like this, right? You can stretch it like this. And then, how do you connect this one? I got this to here. Is this the one that you put? I have to ask my...
It might be in the accessory box, the other box
Oh,
that you
yeah,
have.
okay.
I'm
So,
not sure.
we got this open. Okay, we got this for to use this like this. Okay, so that's one. This is just for the handle. And oh, I got this screw too. I don't know what is that for. We can see that later. Okay. Now this one is okay. Let's put this down here. Okay.
Hand that to her.
Okay.
Hand that to assistant.
There you go.
The camera.
Oh, the camera too.
And the screw.
And the screw.
Actually, I don't need it.
Oh, we don't need it. Okay, now we need this to open this. Wow. I'll just do this. I don't need to. No, I just need to open it like this. Okay. Ta-da-da-da. The casing. Nice casing here, guys. Wow, it's an attached case. Let's see personal. Wow, it's zip, zip, zip. Wow, is this a medical kit or something?
Are you a doctor?
I think. Whoa, look at all this. Oh, there's my assistant. No, I don't have an assistant. They're teaching me how to use it. There you go, guys.
You're kind of upside down.
It's this way. There you go. Ayan. Ganyan pala kayan. Palakang coca. Ayan. Here, guys. What's this? Oh. Maybe this is the case for the camera. Is this the case for the camera? Professor Larry. Is that for the camera? Oh yeah, I think so.
I think
Look at
it is.
that. That's okay. This is the case for the camera, guys. Woohoo! Ayan. And this is how it looks like, guys. I'm gonna take it out one by one anyway. Ayan. There you go. Can you see it?
Yeah.
There. Ayan. So there's so many gadgets here. There's more stick-ons.
You're getting too far over to the edge.
Okay.
Come to the middle.
Okay, Professor. So we got lots of accessories, guys. There's too much. There. There's like how many pieces was?
That one's 65.
65 pieces. There's straps and all.
25 of them are the
And what are
stick-ons.
I think that's
for strap? Oh, the vest.
The chest.
Yeah, we got a vest too, guys. See? It's for the vest for your camera. Yan. Ayan. See that? You're like carrying a baby or something. There you go. You go like this. Then you just clip in there. That's one vest. Ayan. Diyos ko po, kala mo naman to eh. And more for mounting? No,
It'll be another form of mount, I guess.
it's for mount.
It's a clip mount.
It's a clip mount. What is this? Woohoo!
That's for if it goes into the water, you can attach it and it'll float.
Okay.
And you don't lose your camera.
Yeah, so you don't lose your camera. Okay.
I remember that part.
More for mount. Oh, this one is for, I think guys, this one is for to put on your head, right?
On your arm.
Oh, arm. No. I thought
Oh, that's
head.
the headband.
Headband.
Oh, I see.
And then you
Okay.
put your camera there too.
On that. On
Maybe if it's for nighttime or something like that. Ayan guys. Yeah, so there's so many accessories guys. There's so much, too many screws and everything. What else can we find here? There's more here. Oh, this is for the head. Right. This is for the head. This is more like for the head. There. Yan. Ididikit dyan yung camera dyan. Tapos ganyan-ganyan kayo guys. Ayan. Sus, ginoo ko. Ayan. Napakarami. And we have one here. It's just like a small tripod. It's very light. Ah, it's also a tripod. Look guys. See that? Yan. So did you say it's 62 pieces? 65 pieces.
There's a lot of peel and stick ones for like a helmet mount and things
Yeah.
like that.
So ayan guys, napakarami. And how much was this?
How much?
Yeah, how much was this?
$42.
It's $42.
Yeah.
And the camera was how much was the camera?
Tripod?
The tripod 07.
$21.
Huh?
That tripod, $21.
$21. What about the camera itself? The Hero 7.
$270.
270. And guys, and this will help me because you know guys, I'm shaken and probably this will really help me a lot. Ayan. So what else can I show here? More screws.
And there should be an instruction sheet there too, underneath.
What's this? It's like a foam. It's foamy. It's spongy too. I don't know. It's free. It's not a bar soap. It's not.
Does it open up?
It doesn't. It's just like this. It's like a foam. So those are my invisible friends.
What about the instructions? You want to pull the instructions out underneath there?
There's no instructions.
What is that white underneath there?
White
Right
underneath.
there. There you go.
No, these are just
Oh, I see. Okay.
more
sorry.
stuff.
Right, okay.
Stick-ons.
There's clamps that make you sensitive. Shelf or something.
Okay.
Ah, right.
Oh, we got more here. What's this? Another
It's a
tripod?
monopod.
It's a monopod.
It pulls out like a telescope.
Oh, cool. So guys, this is worth buying kasi it's only 20. How much again?
$42
It's
for the kit.
$42 for the kit, and it got so many accessories to it. You wouldn't believe how many these are in here. My goodness gracious.
It's like 65.
Yeah. So this one would be cool, you know, guys, because I can use this like I got a baby and it's like a baby carrier. Yan, guys. Ayan, Diyos ko po dahil. Ayan, so dapat bili na kayo ng Hero 7 GoPro. Ayan, so ano pa bang masasabi ko? Eh di, ganun na nga. Kasi lahat na nailagay ko. Ang hindi ko lang nadala dito, guys, eh yung aking charger na separate. Kasi ito, guys, itong nabili kong GoPro 7 built-in battery. So, we bought a separate charger. And how much is the charger?
No, you don't have a...
We bought a separate charger. So, how much was the charger? How much did they charge you for the charger? The battery charger.
That one just plugs right straight in. It's
I know, but
USB.
we bought
Another $20.
a charger. That's the $20. So, another $20. Ayan, guys. So, ayan, ipakita ko na sa inyong lahat kung ano ang aking bagong gadget, ang GoPRO7HERO. Ayan. So guys, edi syempre,
Can you put back
binabati ko muna lahat ang aking mga groups. Ayan. Hello to Team Guardian Angels, Team Explorer, and of course, Team Bebekoys. Ayan. Hello kay Viv Quinto, kayong kaibigan ni Kiko, Chrissy Bitsy 21. Now they're starting to laugh. Now I'm getting confused now. So there's also Forever Young Mom, Asian Tenshi 10 Maria Mitch, Unknown Tenshi, what do you call this? We also have MKC TV, GK Vlogs, Rain's Life, Joe Young, Kaiki Do Love Me, Love Joyce. We have to mention all my babies, you know, because they are my baby boys. And shout out to Sumiri Kawaii, Trip Nicolas, syempre ang kanyang wifey na si Bimbi ko, and who else? Did I miss someone again? Oh yeah, Kyla Taduran, Ayam Verino, our very baby of the group is Red's Journey, the 4-year-old boy that we love so much. Hello Red. And we've got Ishi Johan's Vlogs. Who else? Come on, I forgot. Ay. Whoever was not mentioned, ayan, alam nyo naman ang mami nyo, medyo makakalimutin na at hindi ko dalang aking listahan. So guys, ayan, nabati ko na lahat ang aking mga katim dyan. Ayan, so alam nyo naman, pagkatapos ng aking vlogging, alam nyo na, God bless us all YouTubers. God bless us all YouTubers. One more time. God bless us all YouTubers. We are YouTubers, mighty are we. We never lose our capability. We gotta put on our best and help all the rest. We are YouTubers, we're the best. One more time. We are YouTubers, mighty are we. We never lose our capability. We gotta put on our best and help all the rest. We are Pinoy YouTubers. We are the best. Ayan. Salamat ulit. Babush na. Ma! So ayan guys, ipagpatuloy na natin ang pag-shoutout. Shoutout ko ulit ang aking tatlong grupo. Ayan. Shoutout sa Team Guardian Angels, headed by Asian Tenshi 10 Maria Mitch. Para sa Team Explorers University, headed by Explore Sweet Escape. At syempre sa aking sariling family, ang my Bebekoys. Ayan, 26 na Bebekoys. Kaya i-start na natin ang pag-shoutout sa kanila. Shoutout kay Viv Quinto, Rio Palm Vlog, Payong Kaibigan ni Kiko, Joe Young's Official, Kaiki Do You Love Me, Asian Tenshi 10 Maria Mitch, Love Joyce, Jilan Kyler, Chinita Rakitera, Christy Laho, En's World. Syempre, andyan din si Trip Nicolas, kasama ang kanyang wife na si Bimbi ko, GK's Vlog, Ishi Johan's Vlog, Unknown Tenshi, Rain's Life, John Lester Bascus, Kyla Taduran. Ihabol din natin si MKC TV, Chrissy Bitsy 21, Ayel Verino, Amy Nesim, Forever Young Mom, Charito Pangan, Red's Journey TV, at si Chai Channel. Syempre, kasama na rin naman ang kakambal kong si Sumiri Kawaii. Ayan, hindi ba dyan nagtatapos ang ating mga pa-shoutout dahil isa-shoutout din natin sina Just Me and You in Florida, USA, Kabalen Betty's Vlog, Pinay Life in Aussie, Juvi's World, Ate Betty Supat, Sheila Taberna Jan, Laurel Adventure, Jared Patriarca. Ayan, so nai-shoutout na natin lahat guys. So, maraming salamat sa pagpanood ng video kong ito. Huwag sana kayong magsasawa. Huwag muna ring aalis dahil please don't go away. Marami pa tayong special na pa-shoutout. Ayan. So ayan guys, narito na tayo sa portion ng pa-special mega shoutout to the following people. Ayan guys, nais ko lamang pasalamatan ng lahat ng mga dumalo sa nakaraan kong premiere, yung unboxing my new camera. Dumating sina Viv Quinto, Candice Vlog, Charito Pangan, Jillian Kyler, Caldereta, Jared Patriarca, at syempre dumating din sina JR Flores Channel, Adolfo Sabala, Chicha, Damagay Y Vlogs 1, at si Laurel Adventures. Ayan, so guys, maraming salamat talaga sa pag-attend ninyo ng premiere ko nung nakaraan. Sana wag kayong magsasawa. At kita-kits tayo sa mga susunod ko pang mga vlogs at sa susunod ko pang mga premieres. Ayan, so this is LAILOTZKEE'S saying again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And ring that bell to the fullest para every time na may new uploads ako, mano-notify kayo kaagad. So guys, salamat, maraming salamat ulit. Stay safe. See you again next time. And God bless us all YouTubers. Love you all. Babush for now.